Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You already been videotaping?
Yep. Because you did it right here where I'm not getting you so good.
Oh boy.
Clumsy. Quit doing it right there because I can't get you as well right there in the corner. Do it over there. Stop over there. Uh-oh. Not stopping. Remember what you do. Just sit back. There. You don't have to really lean back. You just kind of stop moving with them.
Which direction?
Good job. How'd you do that with your legs? Okay, walk.
Would you walk?
Okay, is that enough or you want to do something else?
Can we start over?
Why?